What's going on, guys? Zoe here. Welcome back to another video on All Things Zoe YouTube channel. In this video today, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to clean your electronics actually properly. I've been doing this for a really long time, for many years to come. But yeah, I've been doing it for quite a while. The reason why I've actually been doing it for quite a while is I'll tell you a story a long time ago. I was basically playing on my Xbox a really long time ago, and basically I almost lost it because of dust particles. And I learned my lesson about it, and I've been really religious of cleaning my electronics to make sure they're always up to date, to always make sure they last for a long time. And this method's actually been working for me, so I'm going to show you guys the products I actually use, and I'm going to teach you guys how to do it actually properly. So one of the products I have here is a electronic spray. This is basically supposed to help me to actually clear all the dust particles and everything for my electronics. So I'm going to show you an example of how I actually do it. I'm actually going to get my Switch 2 out and everything. Just to show you guys an actual example here. Turn it off here. So yeah, here's my Switch 2. And then I'm going to teach you guys how I actually do it. I usually spray right there. And then I go ahead and do that. So that's another example of how I actually do it, as just spraying the actual whole sides of each side as well. So yeah, that's how I basically do it with a spray. I'll actually link these down below in my YouTube subscription if you guys want to pick these up from like Amazon. They're not that really expensive. So yeah. Another thing as well I also use as well, these are called electronic wipes right here. These are also what I use to wipe the screens and everything pretty clean. So I'm going to show you guys actually an example how I actually clean my electronics with these wipes that you actually will see when you open this. It's like this. And then I'm going to get my phone for example right here. This is my phone right here. And then I just clean it just like this. Do the sides, do this in between. So yeah, there you go. That's how I kind of clean my electronics as well, just to show you guys actually an example. But yeah, I hope you guys definitely found this tutorial video really helpful. If you guys did, be sure to drop a like on the video. Subscribe to the channel for more content. Comment down below if this video was really helpful for you, and what kind of equipment you guys use to actually clean your electronics. Definitely drop your suggestions down below. But yeah, I hope you guys definitely enjoyed this video. This is Noah here, and I'll see you guys in the next video on All Things Noah YouTube channel.